Public hearing. As you all know, we had several public hearings on this particular tax levy. I imagine, Charles, we had three public hearings. I know Mr. Passini was present at a couple of them, I believe all of them, and a couple others were present. And basically, what we're looking at is basically, Charles, you want to go ahead and explain about our tax rate, that it's actually gone down since last year?
Sure. Yep, thank you. Do you want me to wait, or?
What I'd like to do is discuss that right now and vote on it right now. I'd like a motion by one of the aldermen to take this particular item out of order and present it under public hearings. I need a motion to that effect.
I'll make that motion.
I'll second it.
Roll call.
Comments?
Your comments.
Comments.
This is not to approve it, it's simply to take it out of order.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I
okay.
missed that.
I'm sorry, who was the second? Alderman Pieri?
Yes.
Lenari? Yes. Conman?
Yes.
Bruni?
Yes.
Pecaro?
Yes.
Fiore? Murphy?
Yes.
Hospodarski?
Yes.
Getting back to the ordinance for the tax levy, we're looking to raise $1,056,000. Is that correct, Alderman?
That is correct, Mayor.
Last, that is, actually, how much more than last year?
$96,000 more.
Than last year?
And the way I believe we came up to that number was the pensions, we took the differential of the pensions from what they were year over year. Last year, the two combined pensions were around $40,000 additional. We took, was it 66,000?
66,000.
Yeah.
66,000 between the pensions. Anyways, we took the pension, the library, and I think we took a 3% increase, the rate of inflation over the number we had last year, of the 513.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Right, the police pension was $44,000 increase, and the fire pension was $22,000 increase.
Right, but we did not.
66,000.
And then
The
the
library was
library is
over.
getting 46,000. So I think right there is the number. Right, so we didn't add to the general fund for additional additional funds the city may have available to it for any administrative purposes, which include fire, police, streets, sewers, or anything like that. It was just to hit this year's overhead that the city was given by the pensions and by the library. Yeah. And then, unfortunately, a $96,000 increase comes out to 10%, roughly.
It's a little less than 10%, I believe it's, as the alderman stated.
I think it was 10, it was 960.
96 is right about
960,000, 96,000 is 10%.
right. And in a small town with a small base, that's unfortunate, but that's $96,000 can make that big of an impact to the property taxes.
So how much money are we going to be giving to the library more?
I think it was 219 last year, and it's going up to 259 or 264 roughly.
259.
So an additional 40,000 is going to the library.
And can I ask something about that one?
Sure.
Do they not have to be part of a separate filing or in our filing of when we put this, a truth in taxation? The reason I'm asking that is because when I was talking to the county today, they asked me how we included the library in, because if they go over the 105%, they have to be part of a truth in taxation hearing, meaning they have to be filed because they're a separate entity filing a tax on our tax line here.